In this presentation, I'll be explaining to people how important video chat is in this day and age and how great of an innovation it is. I made a website dedicated to video chat, and I will show you the website page by page and how I created it. As you see, it has the main page right here, the home page. Shows the date, the name, me, a little GIF that I made, the abstract, which is the impact of video chat is very large in this day and age. Video chat can be very useful for all age groups. It can be used for education, business, and pleasure. Those are the three main points that I will be going over, and I will emphasize and explain on how main they are. I have 5 different pages to this website: purpose, effects and impacts, technical aspects, relationships to data, and references. And we'll start on purpose. So, it says to indicate the name of the innovation and provide a clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem that the innovation solved, the opportunity that the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. And I explain how this project discusses the impact of video chat in the modern world. Video chat is an easy and free communication device that connects you with people that are located anywhere. As I said before, it has 3 main points in my opinion. There's business, pleasure, and education. For business, you can video chat with your colleagues, with your boss or your managers all across the globe. Say you're a company that shares with China, you can video chat with your colleagues over in different countries and throw back ideas back and forth. For pleasure, if you're away for different states, if you go away a lot and you have a significant other or family members and all around the country, you can connect with them and it feels like you're just right next to them. Your face is on their screen, their face is on your screen, and it feels just like home. Now for education, you can learn many things with video chat. You can video chat students across the globe. You can video chat, you can look at museums through video chat. You can look at even historical sites. You can learn a great deal from video chat. Like I said, it just feels like somebody is right next to you when you are video chatting. I made this YouTube video on how impactful it really is, and here it is.
Sean, how do you feel about the impact of video chat?
See, Steven, video chat has a large impact among the world for educational purposes, for relationships, even for business, all right? If you think about it, for relationships, you can talk to anybody you want, anywhere in the world, for free. For education, you can see anywhere you want for free. And even for business, you can communicate with other companies that you deal with and get your business done. It has a large impact, and it's a great system.
Hey, Sean, what are you doing over there?
Oh, I'm FaceTiming my mom. She's a couple states away. I don't get to go home often because I'm here, so it's a good way to keep in touch with her. So as you can see in the video, I explained the 3 main reasons, in my opinion, why video chat is so impactful. And then you saw towards the end of how I was using it. I was video chatting my mother. Since I'm from Massachusetts, but I go to Rhode Island, I can easily connect with her and my family, and it feels just like home. And in these 2 pictures I have, one right here, it shows it as it seems, a boyfriend and girlfriend video chatting, and they look very happy. And then I have another one right down here of just another example of somebody video chatting. So, effects and impacts. Explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. A benefit of video chat is how easily it can make tasks. All right, like I said, business around the world, and it's free, so people save money. They don't have to fly around the country for business trips. They can just pick up the video chat app and work away. As I said, the apps are free and easy, so it's very quick to use. Explain the impact that the innovation has had on the society, economy, and or culture. It has a large impact around the world, as I said. Video chat can be used for business, pleasure, and education. The impact just goes on and on. It's almost, it can almost get rid of business trips almost. You can get rid of just quick trips that you can easily just do over the computers, and saves you a lot of money that way. Indicate one field other than computer science where this innovation has impacted or has the potential impact. Like I've been saying, it impacts almost the whole entire globe. Everybody has friends or family. Everybody has a job, or everybody needs to learn. So anybody can use this app to take advantage of it, and it's, like I said, it's free. So the impact is really phenomenal. It just goes on and on. I have 2 pictures here. The first one is a graph, and it's the percentage of cell phone owners who use video chat. And as you can see, it's pretty large in men and women right here, and shows the ages. It shows the education level and all that, so you can just take a look at that and see how many people use it. Then I just have another example as you can see video chat being used. This one looks more of like a customer service help. You can always use that. You know, face-to-face conversation tends to make things easier. All right, so next page. I have tech aspects. So this one, it says describe how a user interacts with this innovation. As I said, you know, this innovation can be used in many ways. The user can use a mobile phone, which in this day and age, a lot of people own. You can use like an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy, and a lot of them have front-facing cameras, so you can use that. You can download the FaceTime app or Skype or ooVoo, and you can just use that over the phone. Or you can get your computer out. If you have a webcam like a MacBook Pro, they have front-facing webcams, and you can use that. Or you can buy a webcam for your computer. Very cheap price. You can hook that up, and there you go. You're already on FaceTime or Skype or ooVoo. It says describe in detail how this innovation technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and or the internet to accomplish its purpose. So I said video chat uses the algorithms to process the application so it's able to connect with other video chat applications. You know, it uses the code to sense other codes with computers, and they match, and once they match, the call is picked up. Sort of like a cell phone call, almost. Data. So this one says describe how the innovation consumes data as input or produces data as output and or transforms data. I said video chat produces and consumes the data that is given. It produces the data out from the user's application to other applications to connect them. It also consumes data as input when it is being connected by another application. It says describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, and or data security concern related to innovation. I said one data security concern about this innovation is a hacker or company interfering with video chat. There's a low risk that somebody could hack into the data and intercept the call, and or there's also a low risk that somebody could be inside of your webcam. Now that's a big conspiracy theory in my opinion, but it can happen. So the last page is references. I have 3 references. I have the New York Times adapted to video chat. I have Amelie Meg, chat video and impact. I have Wikipedia, video conferencing, and then my last one is Laura Castillo, the impact of video chatting. So if we head over to this website real quick, it shows the New York Times adapting to the reality of everyday video chatting. And this is just an article about how easy and professional video chatting can be. And yeah, that is about it. So I can show you, if I go here, I can show you how I made the codes, and I can show you an example of the codes that I used. Just 1 minute. If I head over here. So this is my purpose page, the second page I showed you. And yeah, so this is it. You got to start every page with this stuff. This is for the title of the page. I have the content. This is my banner right here. And this is all the information I wrote down. These are the buttons on the bottom to go to home, previous, and next. And yeah, so that is my project. And also, as you see, the video, this banner, I made this using Pixlr layers. I have the video chat picture that I put in. I have the text that I put in. And yeah, and then the pictures that I put in the thing, in the project, you can just code those in with HTML. And yeah, I made this GIF using Pixlr. And yeah, that is my project. Thank you. Thank you for listening.